So guys, right now I'm unboxing my Taurus G3. This is my first gun. Actually, sabi nila okay po for first time owner. So unbox natin. I apply and for LTAP and for this gun sa target point. So ito po, green and stainless ang kinuha ko. As you can see, ganda na pagka-green. Para siyang baruan lang. Then may magazine reloader. Dalawang, I think it's 17 rounds. Dalawang 17 rounds. Then yung kakapit is 15 rounds. So ito may panlinis. So yan. Napakaganda. Ganda niya. Sobrang solid. Magaan. Thank you so much. Ito testing ko to by Saturday and then upload ko yung video.